The overall purpose of this study is to find out if sharpening wheels or belts overheat the edge, and if yes, to determine safe and unsafe limits, and what can be done to prevent the overheating. As temperature indicators, we use temperature indicating lacquers. Some producers call them paints or liquids. Temperature-sensitive material in them changes properties at the rated temperature. They are produced as a set of bottles rated from 80 degrees Celsius, 175 Fahrenheit, to 1090 Celsius, 2000 Fahrenheit. The original temperature indicating lacquer has opaque appearance. When the stated temperature is reached on heating, the lacquer liquefies sharply. Response time is milliseconds. The melted lacquer turns transparent and stays transparent when cooled, making interpretation simple. Wide known brands are Omega Lac and Temper Lac. They are widely used in industrial areas where temperature control is critical. In our experiments, we are using Temper-Lac advanced temperature indicating liquid. As heat indicators, we use 3 temperature indicating lacquers: 163 Celsius, 325 Fahrenheit. Heating reaches the tempering range for knife steels: 232 Celsius, 450 Fahrenheit. Many knife steels over-temper and soften: 371 Celsius, 700 Fahrenheit. All mainstream knives over-temper and soften. Control test. Blade heated to 166 Celsius as shown on the thermometer. The first lacquer has turned transparent, but the second and third remain opaque. Blade heated over 207 Celsius as shown on the thermometer. The first 2 lacquers have turned transparent, but the third remains opaque. This test is rough, but good enough to show how the 3 lacquers behave with a raise of temperature. In heating caused by sharpening, the temperature lacquer is changing over the thinnest part of the edge, in the area adjacent to its apex. We even do not need a microscope to see the overheated translucent zone. Example of temperature lacquers on the edge overheated by honing follows. We are not the first to use this method. The previous photo is from the experiment on overheating in a workshop belt sharpener done by Anthony Spielberg 5 years ago. Tony used Omega Lac. 3 years ago, Mike Brubacher tested a 42-inch belt grinder using Temper Lac, and Mark Reich tested a 72-inch belt grinder also with Temper Lac. We will talk about their experiments in the next video.